Hello friends, in this video we will do the grammar topic articles. Articles. As we all know that articles are the words which are used to modify any noun, whether place, person, anything or any idea. And articles are a, an and the. A and an are indefinite articles and the is a definite article. Now, what is the difference between both? Definite article. Definite articles point out a particular thing, a particular place, or a particular person. For example, the girl wearing red frock is my friend. That means I'm not talking about any girl. I'm talking about one particular girl. The girl who is wearing red color frock. That means that girl is specific, particular. So, the is an article which is used to point out a particular thing. Now, what is indefinite article? Indefinite article does not point out any particular thing or any particular person. For example, I met a girl yesterday. That means मैं एक girl को मिला और वो girl कोई specific girl नहीं थी. Now, we will take a more example to consider the difference between what is definite and what is indefinite. Okay, if we take a story of a greedy dog or any other story like the rabbit and the tortoise, and in the very first line of each story, we use a for the characters. For example, the rabbit and the tortoise. Once upon a time, there was a rabbit and a tortoise. That means वो कोई specific rabbit या कोई specific tortoise नहीं था. There was one rabbit and a tortoise. They were friends. Now in the next line, for the same rabbit, we use the. The rabbit always boasted that he could run faster than the tortoise. And for tortoise also we use the. Because now we know about the rabbit and the tortoise. Because अब हमें पता है कि हम उसी rabbit और उसी tortoise की बात कर रहे हैं जिसके बारे में हमने फर्स्ट टाइम मीन्स फर्स्ट लाइन में बताया था कि देयर वॉज अ रैबिट एंड अ टॉर्टवाइस एंड नाउ दे आर स्पेसिफिक बिकॉज अब थ्रू आउट द स्टोरी हम किसी और रैबिट या किसी और टॉर्टवाइस के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे दे आर द सेम रैबिट एंड टॉर्टवाइस आई होप यू गेट इट नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वेयर टू यूज एन An is always used with singular and countable nouns, means the things which we can count. And we use an with vowels A, E, I, O, U. With all these sounds, we use an. For example, an apple, an orange, an umbrella, an ugly, an ink pot, and an honest. Now, in this example, H is not a vowel. But as I told you that we need to check the sounds. Now in this example, H is silent and we pronounce the word as honest. That means the sound of O. And O is a vowel, that's why an honest. And same is the case with another example, an R. H is silent and again the sound is R. That's why an R. Now when we say MBA, तो अब स्टार्टिंग में साउंड क्या है ई एम एम जैसे हम बोलते हैं एलिफेंट इन द सेम वे एम दैट्स व्हाई एन एम बी ए सेम इज एन एम पी एन एम ए सो वी नीड टू चेक द साउंड्स whenever you find the sound of a e I o u just put an an. Now another example is a university whether u is a vowel but we need to check the sound. The sound is uni, y-u, university. So that's why a university. That means when we pronounce university, that is not the sound of any vowel. Okay, so let's move to another article where we use a. A is also used with the singular and countable nouns. And we use a with all the consonants. Except those 5 vowels, all the rest alphabets are called consonants. For example, a cat, a dog, a pen. Next is when we talk about the thing for the first time. And that is example of any story as I have already told you. In the first line we use a. And when that same character becomes specific, then we use the. Next is before vowels which don't have any vowel sound. For example, a university, as I have already told you, a one-eyed man. O is a wall, but when we pronounce O-N-E, that is one. The sound in the starting is of a W, one, V. That's why a one-eyed man. Next is to represent a class of things. जब हम किसी भी चीज़ की whole class को लेते हैं. For example, a dog is a faithful animal. Now I said a dog. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि एक ही dog. That mean all the dogs. That mean the whole class of dogs. A dog is a faithful animal. Next is when we talk about a profession. For example, I am a teacher. She is an engineer. Next is we use a and an both when we represent class of something. As I have already told you about and next example is a dog is a faithful animal. That means all the dogs. And next is an ant is a hard-working insect. That means हम सभी ants की quality बता रहे हैं. Now next moving forward to the. Now the is used with both singular also and plural nouns also. The first use is when we talk about a thing in particular. That means about the known things. जिसके बारे में हम जानते हैं. For example, I am talking about the girl who met us yesterday. That mean मैं उस girl की बात कर रहा हूँ जो हमें yesterday मिली थी. I'm not talking about any girl. I'm talking about that particular, that specific girl. So when we talk about the thing in particular, then we use the. Next is before the name of buildings, newspaper and trains. For example, the Red Fort, the Hindu, the Hogwarts Express. Next is when we refer to whole group of people. That means एक particular type को represent करना. For example, we should help the needy people. We should help the poor people. That means we should help all the poor people. Next is the rich should not look down upon the poor. Next is when we talk about a population of a nation. किसी एक particular nation की population की जब हम बात करते हैं. For example, the Punjabis are kind-hearted people. The Americans are good people. With superlative degree also we use the. That means third degree. That is, for example, she is the most intelligent girl or boy in the class. She is the most beautiful girl in the class. Next use of the is with the name of ships, magazines, seas and rivers, deserts, books and directions. As you can see the examples, the Titanic, the Filmfare, the Red Sea, the Ganga, the Thar is also known as the Great Indian Desert. He reads the Bible daily. Bible is a holy book. The sun rises in the east. And next is with unique things. That means जो common नहीं है, rare हैं, unique हैं. For example, the sun, the moon, the world, the universe, the sky, the government, etc. And next use is when we refer to nature. For example, the weather, the seaside, the countryside, and the mountains. Next is with sometime expressions. For example, in the morning, you can say, I met my friend in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the summer, the winter, the spring, the fall. Fall is also a season. The day before yesterday, the past, the present, the future. And next use is with the words when they are used as adjective. Now, as you know what is adjective. Adjective are the words which describe noun, that mean tell us any quality of noun. For example, I always sit on the first bench. In sentence में bench की बात हो रही है और किस bench की? The first bench. And the more examples are the previous, the following, the last, the same. Next is we use the with musical instruments also. For example, the piano, the guitar, the violin and so on. Next use of the is that we use the with specific inventions also. For example, who invented the telephone? Because we are talking about the invention of telephone in this sentence. That's why the telephone, the bicycle. With family names also we use the. For example, we live next to the Sharmas. Sharma is a family name. And with some places also we use the. For example, with abbreviations like the UK. UK is United Kingdom and the US. But remember that only with abbreviations, not with the country names. Now next part is where we do not use any kind of article with proper noun plus the name of countries, as I have already told you. For example, I live in Canada. No article. I'm talking to Nimrit. Nimrit is a proper noun. So with proper noun and with countries we use no article. Next is with the name of games and language also. For example, I am playing football, not or the football, only football. Next is I can speak English. With days and months also, we don't use anything. For example, I will meet you on Monday or Sunday or in January or February. Next is before material and before abstract noun also. We don't use any article. For example, gold is a costly metal. Everybody want freedom. Freedom is an abstract noun. So no article. Next is with sometime expressions. As I told you while telling the use of the, that with sometime expressions we use the, but there are sometime expressions with those we don't use any article. For example, noon, at night, or every day, week, today, yesterday, or tomorrow. That's it. I hope you understood the use of a and the.